why everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, how dare you even stare at me? Why? Is it because I am a bad girl? A bad girl I am, a good-for-nothing teenager, a problem child? That's what you call me. I lie, I smoke, I drink, I gamble at my young tender age. I lie, I cheat, I could even steal if I have to. Yes, I am a bad girl. But where are my parents? You are my good parents, my good elder brother and sister in the society where I live. Now, look at me. What have you done to me? You pampered and spoiled me and neglected me when I need you the most. And entrusted me to a yaya whose intelligence was lower than mine. Thus, I drifted away from you.